Hello stock gurus and welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the best time, the best month to be buying stocks. The best month to buy stocks is every month. This is the key. It's every month. Dollar cost average, DCA. Buy your companies every month. For the next 5 to 10 years, pick 10 companies. This is what I teach in the Stock Guru Master Course. 10 companies, 5 diversified, construction, medical, transport, etc. 5 in your industry that you love and know, mine being biotech and tech. And every single month, buy your companies. If you make $100 that month, if you make $10 that month, try to buy your company. If you make $100 that month, try to buy your company. If you make $1,000 that month, try to buy your company. If you make $10,000 that month, take 5 of that 1,000 and buy 5 of your companies. Every month, keep dollar cost averaging and buying your companies. Your goal is to buy the bottom of hills as you're climbing these monster Everest companies. Pick 10 companies that you see 20x potential in the future and every month buy them. The ones that are on the technical bottoms before movements up, those are the best ones to buy as I teach in the course. This was a little bit of a kind of trick, dollar cost average buy every month, but the true and another kind of way to look at this, if you want exact specific months, if you're buying a company, for example, Etsy or Amazon, you know that they're going to have really high sales during the Christmas period, November, December. So that means when they announce their quarterly earnings reports in January, that means they're going to have their previous 3 months. So quarterly earnings reports, that means every 3 months they're required by the New York Stock Exchange or the publicly traded markets to release their earnings. So any month, so for example, if you buy a shopping company like Etsy, after Christmas, they're going to obviously have a lot more sales during Christmas. So it's usually a good time to be buying that company when they release their quarterly earnings that cover November and December. So buying them in January before their quarterly earnings because they're going to have stellar earnings that quarter. And that usually indicates a shopping company. So during Christmas, they had a lot of sales. And if that company is growing that month in January, it's going to be a good time to buy. And as they announce their quarterly earnings, usually going to have a spike up in price. So there are cyclical stocks that are affected by the time of the year. So shopping for Christmas, it's good to buy stocks after Christmas that are going to have this boost in quarterly earnings like Amazon, Etsy. That's an example. But the key is dollar cost average, buy your companies every month and you're building your positions. And when you look back in time, when you look back 3 years ago, for example, at Tesla, people were making a lot of fuss about the hills with the price of Tesla moving between $150 to $250. But now if you actually look at it, Tesla is more than $3,000 a stock. So did that really matter back then when it was 180, 250, 180, but now it's $3,000 a stock. That's the goal. Dollar cost average into your companies that you see 20xing for the future. Buy them every month. Sometimes you can also play around with the cyclical stocks. And also during March, the months of February, March, this is also not usually a good time to buy stocks. This is when we usually have sell-offs. So keep that in mind, but the key is buy them every month, dollar cost average at good technical entries. I hope you like this quick video when you're meant to be buying your stocks, which months are the best months of the year to be buying them. This is James from Stock Guru. Let's make a lot of money in the market. If you'd like to join me, we have a chat room also. In that chat room, there's many millionaires, multi-millionaires. I'm in this chat room and you can talk to me. You have easier access to talk to me in this chat room. And to join the chat room, chat.stockguru.us. There's over 100 members in there and many multi-millionaires, many millionaires. And we have kind of a mastermind group in there, kind of family vibes, but we're talking about investments, about entrepreneurship, about business, about life, about what we're doing in the markets. We're trading and talking live during market hours as well. To join that chat room, chat.stockguru.us. This is James from Stock Guru. I hope you like this video and I'll see you again tomorrow.